So in today's video, we are going to talk about business ideas in mobile phone repair business. As we know, mobile repair business is a very lucrative technical business. So in today's video, we are going to talk about how to attract customer to your mobile repair business, because it is the joy of every phone technician or phone repairer to have enough customer, because that's where you will get your money from. So now, what are some of the what are some of the things you need to do to attract more customer to your business? 1. Focus on your old customer. Yes, it is very important to focus on your old customer you have. The customer you have at hand, it is very important to focus on them, because when you do this customer well, or your product is very good, they will invite other people to come and buy. But if you leave this your old customer to go and stroke another customer, you will lose this one. So holding your old customer and doing them well will help to keep your customer, and there will be your old and personal customer you have in your business. Another thing is good location. Yes, location matter in every business. If you are into mobile repairing business and you sell mobile accessory, it is very important to keep your business in a good and sighted location. You can keep your business in the town, in the market, in the schools, or any place that people are gathering, because where people are many, you will have more market or more customer there. So take note of this one. Another thing is that you need to market your product to people that use them, or people you know best that use this product. For example, if you are selling iPhone patch or iPhone spare part, you need to market this your product to people that use them. For example, you cannot go and market your iPhone product or iPhone part to old people that don't use the type of phone. You will not have enough customer. When you market this your product to people that use them the more, they will attract other people to your business. So take note of that one. Another thing is that you need to take your product to them. You can do home service to people. For example, if you are just starting your business, you don't have customer, you can meet people. According to experience of one man that is an expert in business, he usually sell clothes. He have boutique. What he used to do is that he used to snap some of his product in his phone. Then he will take it to ShopRite or boutique or other boutique. He will show it to the people, collect their contact, even collect their WhatsApp contact. So when the people need it, they will come. You can be doing home service. You can carry your product at hand, be advertising it to people. When you do like that, you will get more customer and they will patronize your business. Another thing is that you need to teach people about your product. You need to make content around this your product so that people will know more about it. Like me, I'm doing mobile repair. I sell mobile accessory. For example, if I want to advertise one of my business like phone, charger, or MP3, what I will do, I will make content on that product, how to use it, the importance of using that thing. I can even be using it, be videoing myself. If you check my TikTok account, you will see where I do unboxing of plenty of my product, like the chargers, the phone, the headphone, the earpod, and so on. When you do like this, people will be attracted to that product and they will DM you for a business. When you do all this one, you will attract more customers to your business. I hope you enjoyed this video.